Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning to all of you. My name is Faizan Bepari. I am studying in UKGC class from Khadia Higher Primary English Medium School. I live in Yamanagar. Thank you. Miss,
What happened?
they are talking.
Hey, why are you talking?
Sorry, Miss. Thank you. Miss Mohanuman. Please open my water bottle, please. Thank you, Miss. My name is Saraswati. Miss, may I go to wash my hands, please? Miss, may I go to wash my hands, please? Thank you. My name is Marfa. Miss, open my kitchen box, please. My name is Soumya Rohan. Miss, may I go to wash my hands, please?